Vision. The House of Mdm SC showcases the perfect blend of functionality, sustainability, and modern design, fully encapsulating the concept of a new urban kampong. Having grown up in the 1960s, the client had reminisced about Singapore's old kampongs where sites of attap houses amidst luxuriant foliage were commonplace. This a house in nature is also in line with Singapore's broad vision of a city in nature and taps into the house's location near the country's central nature reserve. In addition, with only about 10% of Singapore's residential property being landed, the client wanted a house that exploits all the potential of landed living that cannot be achieved with condominium living. The vision for this house is to typologically recast a socially and environmentally connected mode of living while creatively fulfilling the pragmatic needs of the client's family and guests. The final product is a house that embraces land living on 4 stories, creating exceptional value on a small plot of land with challenging features.